Just apply this mixture will help you whiten yellow teeth, remove tartar and halitosis quickly. You can't have a beautiful and confident smile if you have yellow teeth or tartar, or even accompanied by bad breath. One conventional way that many people choose to deal with these problems is to undergo expensive and time-consuming dental procedures. However, you won't need to undergo these procedures because I will share with you an effective remedy to remove and prevent tartar buildup at home. It also whitens your teeth and removes halitosis quickly. This remedy is very easy to make with some natural ingredients in your kitchen. On the plus side, there aren't any side effects of this remedy because it is completely natural. Here's how to prepare it. The first ingredient that you need is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps remove plaque and tartar buildup by attacking harmful mouth bacteria in your mouth that leads to this dental issue. This is because it contains lauric acid, which is very useful as an antibacterial. Therefore, coconut oil fights off harmful bacteria in your mouth, including bacteria that cause tartar, bacteria that cause bad breath. Especially coconut oil also helps in the prevention of the tooth decay and tooth loss, as it helps kill Streptococcus and Lactobacillus, which are two types of bacteria that are primarily responsible for tooth decay. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil into a bowl. The second ingredient you need to add in this remedy is baking soda. Baking soda helps to rub off plaque and tartar as it has abrasive properties. Moreover, baking soda rebalances the levels of acid and helps to treat and prevent halitosis. An imbalance of acid in the body can lead to a range of health problems, particularly in the mouth. Baking soda works by balancing the levels of acid in the body. Add 3 tablespoons baking soda into the coconut oil bowl. Mix the 2 ingredients until you get a toothpaste-like mixture. If your mixture is not thick enough, add baking soda. If it is too thick, add coconut oil. Your mixture is ready, and here's how to use it. After the meal, dip a sharp bristle brush into the mixture and gently scrub on your teeth using circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes. Brush on around instead of scrubbing one spot for the entire 2 minutes. Be sure not to brush hard to avoid hurting your teeth. When you are done brushing with this mixture, spit it and wash your mouth thoroughly with water. At most, brush your teeth with this mixture every 2 days for 1 to 2 weeks, then cut back to doing it just once or twice a week. Since it's abrasive, using this mixture more frequently can damage your teeth. If you like this video, please donate a like. Don't forget to share it on your personal page because you probably won't find it anymore. Subscribe to the channel to get other useful videos.